Stop letting your incredible vision gather dust. Are you tired of setting massive business goals only to see them crumble before the 90-day mark? You have the drive, you have the ideas, but you're missing a goal achievement system. Here's the truth. Big dreams feel overwhelming without a clear plan taking you from conception to achievement. You're constantly caught up in the what and the how, forgetting the powerful why. That lack of clarity leads to distraction, burnout, and worst of all, zero growth. You deserve a compass, a map, and action steps clearly guiding your progress, not just a wish list. I'm Clive Enever, business strategist, and I've spent more than 2 decades helping entrepreneurs just like you turn ambitious visions into actionable, scalable reality. I created the 5-day goal setting challenge to implant the success mindset and system you need. This isn't just another free guide. This is a deeply practical, step-by-step framework that we walk through together. We don't just dream about revenue, we engineer it. In just 5 days, you will see enormous opportunity. Day 1, forge a crystal clear, inspiring business vision, complete with a map for revenue and impact. Day 2, convert that vision into 3 to 5 SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Day 3, master the art of prioritization, using tools like the Eisenhower Matrix to create your focused 90-day action plan. But here's where this challenge elevates your results. It's not just about setting goals. It's about making them inevitable. Day 4, we tackle the entrepreneurial reality, roadblocks. You'll learn to anticipate challenges, lack of time, limited budget, fear of failure, and create proactive revenue-protecting solutions. Day 5, we build a sustainable system. Who, how often, and what tools to keep the momentum going long after the challenge ends. Many clients have changed mediocre, even non-productive performance into championship activity, delivering results they had previously only dreamed about, multiplying revenues by factors of 5, 10, and even 20, just from understanding what they really wanted, what activity needed to be undertaken, and what could be deleted. This framework works for every niche because the principles of focused, consistent action are universal. Stop just hoping your business grows. Start engineering it. You'll also receive worksheets to ensure the momentum you build remains strong and your new systems are fully embedded into your business operations. This is how you bridge the gap between planning and sustained execution. The true value of this challenge is not just the content, but the immediate clarity and momentum you gain, accelerating your path to your financial objectives and the lifestyle you defined on day 1. This isn't theoretical training. It's a dedicated investment in your future performance. You could spend months and thousands of dollars chasing random systems, or you can invest a small amount today in a proven, high-impact, 5-day system. For the cost of a few coffees, you get 5 days of expert-guided training with all essential frameworks, exclusive comprehensive worksheets, which will show you how to use the SMART goal-setting framework and how to navigate roadblocks and other challenges that become your permanent planning tools. The goals you set today are the foundation of your future success. If you're ready to stop missing what you deserve and start making the kind of progress that leads to big results and dream business growth, this is your moment. Don't wait for perfection. Just take the first step. Click the link below to secure your spot in the 5-day goal-setting challenge now. Let's start building something incredible together. See you on day 1.